Alright, it's still here waiting to be unboxed. Welcome to Nathan's new video, unboxing this printer. Yeah, we had to get a new printer because our old one, which was faulty, the scanner was completely broken. It would show weird photos such as the one I'm about to show you. As always, we should always cut open the tape, because that's what customers like to, that's what companies like to do. There's no dangerous drink in my hand. I really need a tripod. Please support me. No. That's so difficult. Oh, there's packing. So, now, to reveal the, really HP or scan. Folding. Hopefully the power supply is like our old printer, which was a 3-pin. Oh, I see. They gave us ink cartridges. I never unboxed a printer before, unlike that one, but I haven't. This is my first time doing it alone. So, is it? Yeah, it's the same cord as our old one, so I can basically just use my old one. So, lots of manuals. Oh.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
Oh, okay, hold on. It's so difficult to do something. Here. Huh, they gave us a bonus cord. Nice. Just in case we lost it. Now to bring all this up. For the main attraction. Why do they keep on giving us bags? This is a new printer. It already has fingerprints all over the screen. This is what I'm doing one hand. So I'm gonna show you like this. I got 2 hands. And I got to see the screen. So I actually have to pull it like this. Actually, pull it the other way because I'll be an idiot. And so you guys can see. Oh, wait. Gotta get the styrofoam out. Hopefully this scanner is not broken. Because if it's scanned, if I would scan break their own scanner. So now to unveil this. Here is the printer. There's blue tape. One, 2. Oh. Came back. Okay. Wait, does it come with... Does it... Wait, does it come with paper? Because we gave them all our paper.
Nope.
And there's blue tape here. HP does not mess around. Oh. Okay. Oh, this is in case it gets stuck. Good.
Nope.
Anyways, now I'm going to get you guys so we can put this in our room. Okay, you know what? Hopefully this one fits. Now to turn this thing on. Hold on. Okay, so the printer is turned on without me knowing. And actually is a newer boot up. Where's the setup mode? So while this thing is booting up, here is where you would put in the papers so it would read. Like if you have a big stack, you just put them in here, then it will just do them one by one instead of putting this up and replacing all the time. And when I push this power button, like here, it feels kind of wonky. Okay. Oh. That sound. I speak in English. Alright, I haven't put in the cartridges yet. Actually, we are in the UK. Okay, I'm gonna go get my laptop. Okay, so I'm in my computer. Yeah, I know I'm a big Pokemon fan. HP Smart, because or does it say? Well, it does. So since my old printer, which was an HP Envy 4525, which was that one, which broke, the scanner would fail. So, weird photos such as the one I'm about to show you. So, printer, set up a new printer. Damn it. Whoa! Okay. So it's making the video. It's starting up the setup. Don't know what happened. It's still flashing for the Wi-Fi, even though it's not even set up. Yeah, I already have this. Oh, it's loading.
Nope.
Load the app myself. And set up a new print. Okay, so it recognized the printer. Yeah, I haven't put in the cartridges in yet. Oh. These have noises. Yeah, I'm gonna put in the cartridges, so. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, comment, like, and subscribe. But before this video is over, I just want to say some things why I haven't been uploading. Well, the first reason is because the laptop was very bad, but I got a brand new upgrade. Thank you, Mom and Dad. I managed to find a editor, Sony Vegas Pro 16. But I did need some tutorials, but this is my first one, so please don't make fun of me. It's my first time, and if you saw that scene where I fell, you might have seen this. Whoa! Yes, I have injured my knee. So the muscle of the knee, I was using crutches, but now I can like bend it. So do not worry about that. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, but sorry I haven't been uploading videos because of the terrible laptops, the terrible computers. They just wouldn't do 1080p, and I just got this brand new phone. It records 1080p at 60 FPS. I said in the previous video, I said in this video, but in the past, I did say I really need a tripod. I really need a tripod. Please support me. And looky, I have no hands, and you're above the desk. No, I did not get a tripod. I'm using a selfie stick, holding with some boxes. The Nintendo Switch. The DualShock 4 is holding it. The laptop stand is holding it. And so yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Click here for my next video. I know I can't reach. Click here for my channel to visit it. And here is where my Patreon page is. Please support me for more daily videos. Actually, not daily, because this took me a long time to edit. This took me like 5 hours to edit. Yeah, bye.